Midjourney logo design. Is it a good option? Since there's a myriad of AI image generators, people find themselves in great confusion when deciding on what kind of AI tool one should opt for the purpose of logo designing. In this age of AI, we're just a few steps away from finding and fulfilling our technology-oriented needs, be it logo designing, writing, or some other form of AI-based creative artwork. Tools which provide amenities like text-to-image generation can be found in abundance in the realm software industry, which utilizes generative AI. However, in order to attain the most befitting tool which caters to your needs, you must be very clear about what you're actually looking for. A lot of people who aren't very knowledgeable about generative AI misconstrue Midjourney AI, a text-to-image generator, as being the tool with which you can generate the same logo designs as those designed by using Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. However, Midjourney AI can prove to be a valuable choice for swiftly providing logo designs and visual narratives to marketers during urgent situations. This is particularly relevant in the context of the fiercely competitive digital marketing landscape, where captivating logos and illustrations are essential for capturing a larger audience share amidst the increasing competition and proliferation of brands in the commercial sector. That being said, taking Midjourney AI as a tool for logo designing would not be entirely wrong, as this tool can be best used for creating lettermark logos, mascot logos, emblem logos, and basically any type of pictorial marks if they suit your brand's requirement and can be considered an appropriate replacement of your logo designs.